Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDeep Aluminium Backplate. So as the name obviously suggests, this is an aluminium backplate. So it's a traditional size. It's made out of, about 3mm aluminium, but this is brushed aluminium, so it's a real nice finish to it. Nice and light, so it's good for traveling, but you still have the rigidity to sort of warrant that sort of backplate. It keeps everything together. So you can use this for traveling. If you don't need too much trim weight, you can use this for diving at home. This has all the attachment points that you'll ever need. So all of the little attachment points all around the sides. You've got, of course, the traditional shoulder straps, the central ones down the center for twinning bolts. You've got sort of dual slots either side of this spine there for cam bands if you're diving on singles. And then down at the bottom, which is quite nice, instead of a single point, just drill holes, you have a nice long slot. So that's great for twinning bands. If they're not exactly 11 inches apart, it can be quite hard to fit. So with a nice long slot, that lower twinning bolt can fit wherever you want in there, and it's going to be attached nice and secure. A very wide, that's like a 2-inch sort of section for your crotch strap. So no matter what size crotch strap you have, it can attach onto that. It's got everything you need. It's quite a wide sort of spine section. If you can see that, instead of it sort of coming in and then jutting out as a big sort of spinal section, it's quite flattened. So this will sit nice and trim against your back, nice and flat. But it's still going to keep those twinning bolts and sort of wing nuts or whatever you use away from your suit. So yeah, nice and comfortable, nice and light, so it's great for traveling. You've got that rigidity and everything that you need on it. Great backplate. This is the XDeep Aluminium Backplate. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.